Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, home business coach and mentor, one half of the talk show Talks Over Drinks, Mr. RVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. There's so many titles that I have for myself, but before I get to anything, first and foremost, I want to say to you guys, Happy New Year. You made it out of 2020. It's 2021. So if you're watching this video, that means that hey, you got great intentions for this year. You're looking to further yourself. You're looking to have a better life in this new year. 2020 was hard. Once again, we know the struggles, the things that people went through. It was a hard year. We lost a lot. We learned a lot. Some people didn't make it out of 2020. And the people that made it out of 2020 to 2021, now is the time that you have to start thinking about what's going to happen going forward. How are you going to live your life? Those dreams, those goals that you have, the business that you didn't start before, now is the time. Now, it's only January 2nd. People are now waiting for their stimulus checks to come in the mail, $600. And a lot of people are saying to themselves, what can I do with $600? Well, I have something that you can actually do with just $1 out of that $600. What I'm looking to do is help at least 100 individuals who want to become entrepreneurs and either replace their full-time income, do something on a part-time basis, or if they just want to do something to have fun, take their minds off of all the tragedy that has occurred in the last year, whatever it is that you want to do. I want to be able to facilitate that for you and help you guys move forward. But my number one goal is to be able to help people create freedom. One of the projects that I'm working on and creating is what I would like to call the Freedom Plan. So this will be a training course that's going to help you create overall freedom and wealth. Now, when I say wealth, I don't just mean from a financial standpoint. I mean also from a mental standpoint. Because what's the point of having the financial means to live the life that you want, but then having the mentality of a person who's going to go out and just waste it, splurge it, and just be, broken and worse off than what they were before they even got that financial freedom. So I look forward to talking to each and every one of you who want to further their career in online marketing, specifically in the field of affiliate marketing. That's one of the greatest ways to make money from home. And in 2021, it's going to be your best option. A lot of people are worried about if we're going to go through another shutdown and what would that look like. Last year, we went through a shutdown. A lot of stuff slowed down. A lot of businesses closed. A lot of businesses that will never open back up again. Now, we have to be smart going forward. 2020 taught us some lessons about what type of businesses were the ones that was going to suffer the most and what would be those things that would be there to help and support us going forward. I know a lot of people are so used to doing things one way, but now is the time that you have to think outside of the box. You have to, come out of your comfort zone and do something a little bit different. If you've never started a home-based business, I'm here to tell you that it's one of the easiest things that you can actually do, but the hardest thing that a person can make the decision to actually do. A lot of people start to think to themselves, what is it that I like to do? What is it that I want to do as a business? If you have no idea what it is that you want to do for a business, maybe you're not into having a restaurant. Maybe you're not into affiliate marketing in the same manner that I'm into affiliate marketing. Maybe you're not into drop shipping. Maybe you're not into real estate. Maybe you don't have any type of passion for what is considered mainstream. Maybe you might be in something with a smaller niche. Maybe you might have some type of skill, some type of passion that nobody else knows about, or that's kind of new that you can actually bring to the market. If that's you, I want to help you with that project. No matter what it is that you have on your mind, no matter what it is that you like to do or love to do, even if you think that it's something that only you yourself would like, I'm telling you now, there's a way that you can start a business from home and become profitable doing the things that you like and love. Now, once again, It's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, home business coach and mentor. I'm here to help you guys. And what I want you to start out by doing is going on my website, markelprines.com. Simple as that. I want you to sign up for a $1 trial. That's going to give you access to the program, the tools that I actually use to make money from home. It'll allow you to create whatever it is that you want. I don't care what field of interest you have. Maybe you like ASMR. Maybe you like blowing bubbles or whatever. Maybe you like anything that you can think of. No matter what it is, I want you to take the $1 trial and I want you to use this software, this program that has over 30 different tools that will allow you to create whatever it is that you want. And then I want to contact you and talk to you about it and work together with you to show you how you can actually make money from home doing what you like and love. Once again, it's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines. Holla at you later.